Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Paradox Spectrum SP6000. So first things first, if you want to reset your panel back to factory, there's one thing you want to try first. You got to make sure the panel is not locked. In order to do this, we're going to disconnect the battery. Just unplug it. Now we're going to remove one of the power leads right over here. Wait a few seconds. Now, once we put this back in, if you get multiple clicks, about 10 clicks, that means your panel's locked, and this method will not work for you. So as you guys can see, we did not get multiple clicks, so this panel is not locked. If yours is like this, then you can move on to the next step. The other thing you want to keep in mind is once you factory reset your panel, you will have to reprogram all your zones. Okay, that being said, and what we're going to do is we're going to locate the reset button, which is right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold it until the status light starts blinking. Once it starts blinking rapidly, we're going to let go and press it one more time and release. Okay, so now we're going to press and hold, keeping an eye on the status light. There we go. Now press it once and let go. And now the panel is going to reboot. Status light's coming back on. This will take a few more seconds. And that's all to it. Alright guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.